Airport.
This week has been rough on Chris. For one, his laptop has been acting up. I keep trying to convince him to get a Mac, but he just says he's too old to change now. Yeah, right. Thank you all for helping us through this little bump in the road.
So, what's a guru? I'm getting a little bit more accustomed to this running and gunning, or he's taken time out of his busy schedule to get him back up and running again. Sorry about the jacket. Hey, I'm from Arizona. I know. All of my Canadian friends are running around in short sleeves and shorts and laughing at me. What can I say? Blood's gotten thin over the years. Self-sufficient? I know we all try, especially in the RV world. But there are just things that we can't do. You can't be everything for everybody or everything that you've got. And if you are, dude, I want to know you.
Did you know that he hasn't missed putting out at least one long-form video a week in over 8 years? I think that's quite an accomplishment for, as he calls himself, just an old hose dragger. Different word for fireman.
So, what's a guru? Some say it's a dispeller of darkness, or one who leads from darkness to light. I would say that in the RV world, most of us have at least one guru, but more likely more. You know, someone you can turn to for help on all matter of subjects. Sometimes a specific subject. Well, my need for one comes in the form of computer repairs. You know, computer problems. I mean, I'm just smart enough to try and fix one or two, and by then, get things really messed up. Sound familiar? Since we've been stuck here in the valley, while I experienced the pleasure of the medical community, we've relied heavily on our friends, who without, we would have definitely had a horrible time surviving this cloud we've been under. Those friends have made it so much better for us. Kind of like this wonderful RV community of OLT. But today I wanted to take a moment to thank one particular guru who, in the background, has silently and anonymously helped over the years to keep this channel running. In spite of me, he is part of our extended family, and the whole family has been and continues to be an amazing support for us. Our guru likes anonymity, and his super skill is all things computer. I can't tell you the number of times I've called begging his help to bring me out of the darkness. Airport. When my computers have, just at the most inopportune time, decided to take a dive on me. He's taken time out of his busy schedule to get him back up and running again. I mean, sometimes it's a simple, oh, here's what you did wrong, and don't do that again, to what the heck did you do this time? He is one of those experts that can ferret out the problem, rather than the hacks that think it's just too difficult and recommend that they wipe the drive and reinstall the operating system. Over the years, I have been so grateful that he has been here available to help us. Quiet and unassuming, he's always willing to show me simple fixes. Like his family, our extended family, he has been steadfast and true. To our guru, you are amazing. I'm sure that you don't hear that enough. But from us, it's truly heartfelt. You have really saved my bacon so many times. I am eternally grateful. And thank you, Chuck and Carrie, for raising such an amazing family, all of which are talented beyond compare. We are so happy to be considered as a part of this family. Now, I do have a question, though, for our OLT community. Why is it always at 4:59 p.m. on a Friday afternoon that things seem to be programmed to dump? You know, like the boss has something to talk to you about, but it can wait till Monday afternoon. Nah. Or the tire company is closed now till Monday or after the holiday. And the RV supply is closed too. Ghost in the machine? Yeah. Thank you guys for sticking around and watching. And no, the computer is not done yet. But he has it done enough so that I can edit again for a while. At least until he can get a little free time to focus on it again. Please bear with us. And as always, please travel safe. It's that time of year. Shouldn't we all be of good cheer? I'm getting a little bit more accustomed to this running and gunning, or what do you say, shooting while I'm moving and in different places and around other people. And I always find it entertaining how so many people seem to want to be on camera. I've always been afraid of it. But we've had a lot of folks just come right up on this video and kind of lurk in the background directly behind me, I think hoping that they're going to get on the video themselves. I mean, if I knew they wanted to, I'd be more than happy to put them in it. But they just kind of hide there, and then when I ask them, they say, oh, no, 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 no. And then they run off, only to come back and do it again.
Thank you again for sharing your Sundays with us, and with any luck, we'll see you again next week here on OLT.